today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube video on YouTube. So first, you're going to have a YouTube account, obviously. Second, all you have to do is just once you have to click this thing that says create. Then you're going to be shown with three options. Either one, upload a video, two, go live, or three, create a post. But just about the go live thing. For enable for you to go live, you're gonna have to have this YouTube verification code or something. But the upload video and create post are free. So today we're just gonna do upload video, just like that. Then you're gonna have to select the file. You press select file, and let's just do this one. This is my test video for the video, like this video. This one's gonna be called test because it doesn't really mean anything. And then we're just gonna put video. Now, there's another thing called hashtags. Look, if you put a hashtag, and look, you just click all these things like Minecraft, help this make sense, games, whatever this is. Yeah, there's a bunch of hashtags. Yeah. So, if you want to use those, you can. And then, look, there's this thing also called thumbnail. Test and compare, you're gonna need a verification code, upload file, verification code. But the audio generated is free. And it's going to do this one. And then you're going to click yes, it's made for kid, or no, it's made for kids. And then there's a thing called subtitles. The subtitles are like the captions, like this. Either type manually, upload file, or auto sync. And if you need help with these, you can just press the question mark like this. Yep. And then there's the end screen, but since this is a short video, I'm not gonna be able to do it. But once you're it's basically a thing where you add this thing. You can either add other channels or videos, and yeah, this thing is like a whole thing that pops up in a corner during a video, and you can just add that if you want. Like, let's say I want to say, well, yeah, it's either link, channel, playlist, or video, so you can do that. Then you click next. And if your video is copyrighted, like if you stole other people's content, which is extremely frowned upon on YouTube, well, it's going to say that it's right here. And then, this is the most important part. You can either set it for private, and only you and people you choose can watch the video. Unlisted, anyone who's the video link can watch it. Or public, so that means anyone can watch it. And there's also a thing called set in instant premiere, but I'm not going to do that because, And this is what a premiere is. When you set your video as an instant premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. But for now, I'm just going to do this private since it doesn't really do anything. And then, so you can select a date for your video to go public. Like, time zone, it's 12 a.m. Let's say I just wanted to happen on November 20 at that time. Yeah, sounds good. And then there's this little thing. Make sure that you follow all policies to protect minors from harm, exploitation, bullying, and violence or labor law. Our community guidelines can avoid trouble, and ensure that YouTube remains a safe and vibrant community. And then you'll just press schedule. Well, if you did schedule anything. And yep, then you just click close. And yeah, that's how you make a video. And I already did this little thing and it just went wrong. So, yeah. Okay, bye.